Okay, welcome to Wednesday. Glad to be back. I'm gonna try to post much more regular. I've been like doing a crazy project at the house. I should do a video on that. I think that it's just funny how I got into doing this project. Doing this project in the first place. You get a contractor to come out to the house and they price a job, and for whatever reason, I don't know, maybe they thought I couldn't pay for it or whatever, they give you this crazy high number just because they don't want to work with you. So, they can say that they're not discriminating, but they really don't want to, they're just picking and choosing. They're really not trying to do the work. So I think that I will do a video on that because I've been working really, really hard. Normally I'm in IT, so it's a lot of project management and infrastructure and things like that. But I'm digging holes, I'm moving earth, and that is it is hard work. I tell you that. So I think I will post a video on that at some point. Look out for that. I think it'll be really funny. But it's great. I'm redoing my backyard. Saving a ton of money too. So I'm happy about that. But it is a ton of work. But today's video is a budget keyboard combination that I came across, keyboard and mouse combo that I came across, and I think it's the best value. It's like under $50. It's from Logitech. It's the MK825, and I love it. The way that it looks, the way that it feels, I think it's great. So not only is it a budget, but it's in my opinion, it's a pretty quality upgrade, especially for me. I'm using a what is this thing? MK710. This is pretty new. But it does take up a lot of space on the desk, and I really don't use the features that are on it. So I came across it. Look, you never know when you need a good, spare replacement keyboard. And why should you, unless you're special, you're gaming with a keyboard, or just like that mechanical feel, you don't need to go crazy with your keyboard and your mouse. So here it is. Got you right here. It's built for performance. You can see that. There you go. MK825, quiet comfort key typing. You can seamlessly switch between devices. That is amazing. Multi-device to a new level with Logitech Flow. You get into the some of the features. So it is. Yeah, it's definitely pretty amazing. So let's crack this open. What I noticed right away is that, well, it does say MK825. You're actually, the MK in Logitech land stands for mouse keyboard. 825. So you're getting a K850 keyboard, which is a great keyboard, and an M585 mouse. So let's crack this open. See what we got. Nice box. Looks really great. All right, so let's do our unboxing. This thing open. Got the performance keyboard and mouse. So I like the fact that you can start typing on your computer, then switch to type on your tablet or phone at the touch of an easy switch button. That is so cool. And that is not something that I had on any of my other keyboards. But that is super cool and really convenient because I have typically I got multiple devices set up. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Pretty basic design, nice box, keyboard is well protected. We have our our Logitech dongle. We'll just put that here. We have a extender. So if you're in you have a weird desk where you're not getting good signal, you can bring this onto your desk and then mount that. And then here's your nice Logitech mouse. And here is the keyboard. Open this puppy up. See that? It's pretty nice. So let's get rid of this. Okay. See, right off the bat, it's got this nice, comfortable, perforated pad. I prefer this much more over the leatherette one from my 710. What I also appreciate is the contour of the keyboard. There's an ergonomic contour there that's included that's really, really, really nice. I like that. It's just very comfortable. That's really cool. The mouse is interesting because it has this. I'm assuming these are the two modes that you can select to go between devices, which is really cool because, for example, when I do some of these videos, so here we'll give you a look at what comes in the box. There's your keyboard, your mouse, your receiver, the Logitech MK825. So when I do these videos here, I want you to see this. There's a selector button here, and I'm assuming that's going to select between devices. When I do some of these videos, sometimes I use a teleprompter just to keep my thoughts organized. And when I say teleprompter, I mean PowerPoint on an iPad in front of me, just so that I can keep things a little bit organized. Because I can go to the left quick. Sometimes I need to keep myself organized. But it feels very nice, very ergonomic. This is under $50. It's very clean and neat looking on the desk. I really like the way that it looks. It has an integrated numeric pad too, but also shrinking down. I'm gonna try to give you a sense of the scale of this thing. It's a full inch. It's a full inch smaller than the 710 that I'm using right now. So I have high hopes for this one. It looks good. First of all, it feels way more comfortable. So I think I'm gonna enjoy using this. If we look at the mice, though, we've got the mice. I have a longer palm, so the larger mouse is definitely more comfortable. but I would sacrifice, I mean, it's not uncomfortable. Try to give you a sense of scale here. So it's about, what is that about? Let's call it a 1/2 inch shorter. But I would sacrifice because it's not uncomfortable, still use it. But the ability to switch between devices is pretty cool. So I think that's going to be great. So yeah, and this is like Costco, $50. Online it may be a little bit more money, it may be $54, $55. But in the store, there's like an instant rebate of $5 right at the register. So you get this for under $50, which is, in my opinion, it's a great budget option for a keyboard and mouse combo that will definitely keep you happy. Very easy to set up too. You know, one receiver, boom, boom, really quick. Nothing special. If you want to install the software, Logitech Flow, you can. I don't need it. I don't use it. So yeah, I'll try to find a link. I'll put it in the description if I can find a link. But yeah, this, in my opinion, for 2020, definitely, this is the best budget keyboard option. Keyboard and mouse combo for 2020. Best budget keyboard mouse combo for 2020 for sure. And a great warranty too. So in case anything breaks, you know, Logitech, they cover all this stuff. So you're good to go. That's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.